Hey, good morning YouTube. How's it going today? It's Saturday and I woke up this morning, had some coffee, and I was sitting there going, today's Traeger Day. Totally forgot. Traeger Day, if you're not sure what that is, Traeger just kind of has a day where everyone gets together and posts their cooks, ribs, anything on the barbecue that they have. They also have live streams of guest chefs, celebrity chefs, demonstrating how they do certain recipes. So today I'm here right now at Home Depot gonna get my pellets. I need a refill, and we're gonna go with 3 slabs of baby back ribs, 4 or 5 pounds of party wings, and I'm also gonna try a little section of some beef short ribs that I have, but it's gonna take all day pretty much. So it's 7:30 right now and I got a lot to do. I got to prep the Traeger, prep the meat, and get them on. So stay tuned. All right, so I made some chicken thighs and put some bacon on here recently. I don't know if you've ever tried Traeger bacon, but it's phenomenal. So I'm gonna clean the grill grates here, change out this foil, and vacuum the inside. I don't want any excess ash coming up on my ribs or my wings. So show you what it looks like when it's done. See all that build up? I'm gonna get a shop vac, get that out. All that ash built up underneath. It's due for a deep cleaning, but for today, I'm just gonna get this out. All right, so we got the Traeger started and it's heating up. You can hear the fan going. I already had some signature pellets in here, and recently at Home Depot just now I bought the Hickory. You see I mixed them in there. So it's gonna be a blend of flavors. You know, this isn't competition barbecue, this is Turk Outdoors barbecue, so it's still gonna taste good. You see it's starting to smoke a little bit. When that smoke turns white, it sounds like a jet plane. We'll close the lid and let it heat up. Can you hear the sound change? Grill's heated up and we're gonna put these on. The seasoning's been sitting here for half hour or so it's nice and glistening. I've used the Meat Church barbecue line of seasoning. Really good. If you've never tried these before, these are chuck beef ribs, short ribs to be exact, seasoned mostly with salt and pepper. It's Traeger Day, we're just trying everything today. Here's a lineup for seasonings today. Right here, Holy Gospel rub and the honey hog. That's on the baby back ribs. The honey hog obviously is got a little honey in it. Goes real well with pork. Holy Gospel is kind of all-purpose. It's got more black pepper in it. It's really good. On the short ribs, I got the Soco Busters Texas brisket rub. Just a little dusting of that. It's pretty fine ground. Real salt, and of course, fresh black pepper. And I've never tried this combination, so we'll see how it goes. it's set at 180. It's been sitting there for almost 2 hours now. I'm gonna take a look at everything, see how it is. You're not supposed to really do this, but I just have to look. Look at those. See that fat rendering right there? Oh my gosh, I think those are gonna be delicious. So we got about another hour, and we're gonna wrap that. All right, a little late, beyond 3 hours, but let's check them out. Got some good bark form in there, it looks like. Look at those beef ribs, though. Oh my. Pulling away from the bone there. All right, well, let's get this stuff wrapped up. Time to turn the heat up to 250. We're gonna have them wrapped for a couple hours, and we'll check them with the probe. We got the beef ribs and the 3 individually wrapped pork ribs. So inside each wrap is butter and honey in this one and that one. This one I just put butter on. I just wanted to see what it would taste like without the honey. Plain, just the beef ribs and their fat. Just put these back on the grill, leaving the ribs on there, or the beef ribs on there for a little bit longer, letting that fat render. But look at those pork ribs, man, just glistening. Ribs coming off the bone a little bit over there already. Probably done in another hour or so. Just put it at 225. Flats and the drumsticks, seasoned in a little bit of that Holy Cow all-purpose rub from Meat Church. Gonna put buffalo sauce and a mustard sauce on these. It's gonna be so good. Mealworms, that's what's for dinner. It's a nesting pair here. Cirque Outdoors headquarters. It's 5:19. Fell asleep for a little bit, but look at these ribs. I just sauced them. Sweet baby rays. The other 2 we're gonna leave plain. We got some chicken wings going as well. Get some sauce in there. Traeger Day 2021. Those beef ribs that were in there, look at them. I just unwrapped them. I think this bone's coming right out. Yep. That's it. Yep. That's just fat anyway for the most part, but little beef nuggets. Those are done. So we're gonna finish off these wings. So I'm just gonna crank this up a little bit. It's gonna take a while to get to 325, but we'll just get them sauced and we'll throw them back on. All right, that's gonna be it for today. We got the ribs done, wings are done. Wife made some potato salad, baked beans. Really excited. I'll show you guys the finished plate here in just a second. But what I wanted to say was hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. I ordered a lure. It's a secret right now, but I'll be targeting some big bass on topwater, hopefully before my son's born. He's due in about 4 weeks. So we're all excited, but I'm thinking about trying to get some big bass, get some good content before he's born. And if not, we'll just have to wait till we can bring him outside and get him out in the world. So hit the like button, subscribe, and the notification bell. We'll see you next time.